Hey everyone, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to create this look. It is a foxy look. It's so easy. It's just the lashes that I struggle with and I'm going to teach you how to do it. You can see this among models like Bella Hadid and Kendall Jenner. They like the foxy look and it's becoming a trend. I've seen it and I'm actually late jumping in the bandwagon. So I want to create this look. I have never tried it just today. So it's actually successful. I love it. I'm obsessed. It's so cute. It's very easy, so I'm gonna show you guys how I did this look. But first, I would like to spotlight on my jewelries. Ana Luisa is a jewelry company and they reached out to me, sent me 2 of their pieces. These earrings, it's a huggy, and also this locket right here. It's so pretty. I've been looking for a locket. You can actually open it and put something in it, like a picture or a small note for your loved one or a secret writing. My husband is in Afghanistan right now, deployed, and I would like to put his picture or a note from him. I really like these huggies, the earrings that I'm wearing today. They're so cute and they're heavy. It's 14K gold plated and the quality is so good. So a few things about Ana Luisa. One, the quality is really good. They make the same jewelry as Tiffany, Louis Vuitton. They're in the level of those brands. It is very high quality and they said it's tarnish free and also it's long lasting pieces. And even though these pieces are very high quality, they're not that expensive. So the price starts at $39. So for sure there is an Ana Luisa jewelry for you. So these jewelry pieces came with pouches like this. I like pouches like this for travel. I can just put the jewelry and put it in my purse.
Ana Luisa offers free shipping, and the best part is they offer lifetime warranty. I never buy jewelries that doesn't have lifetime warranty because it's something that you can hold on for the rest of your life. This is my CIEL locket. It is 14K gold over sterling silver, so I doubt this is going to tarnish. There is another necklace called Elisa that really caught my eye, and this is going to be my next purchase from Ana Luisa. It is recycled material, 14K gold plated and sterling silver. I'm going to use my code Swatch Queen10 for 10% discount. Alright, let's start guys. First of all, I'm going to use my favorite foundation. This is the Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. This one is in 475. This is a very lightweight foundation. It is my favorite and it is a drugstore, so it's not expensive at all. Next is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Concealer in 385. This is my all-time favorite concealer, and if you haven't tried this yet, you guys should give it a try because it's very inexpensive and it works so good. So hit me up, you know it's all I'm. For my contour, I'm also using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Concealer in Honey. This one is 415 in a darker shade. To blend your cream products, use a denser brush. I always say this, it's gonna be easier to blend.
You can already notice the difference right here, like it's more snatched than this one. Magic.
For this look, I'm really going hard on contour because I want that snatch. I just had a facelift look, so it looks like my face is lifted and my eyes are lifted as well. I am using a dual-ended brush from IT Cosmetics. This is the number 7 brush, and I think this is a complexion brush. One for foundation and the other end is for the concealer. People always told me I need someone like you, someone who gets me and someone who's cool, yeah. My all-time favorite setting powder under my eyes is very, very fine and it's lightweight. It never cakes on me. Next is everybody's favorite. This is the Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm going to put this around my nose to minimize the visibility of my pores and also just powder all over my face. For my brows, I'm going to use Benefit Precisely my brow pencil. I'm going to fill my brows, and then at the end of my brows, I'm going to flick it up, just right like that. That's going to give an illusion to lift my eyes.
Oh, would you stay?
Fun part, I'm going to use my Sydney Grace shadows today. This one is in San Jose, and I'm going to create a wing on the outer corner of my eye. I'm just going to create a V shape like this. Slowly, I'm going to drag it upwards and outwards as well.
You blow my mind, yeah.
If you guys know me, I like building the shadows, then packing. So this is the method that I'm using right now.
Someone who's cool, yeah. And I like the way you are.
Next, I'm going to use my Sydney Grace Hot Chocolate. This one is going to be the same thing. I'm just going to create a wing here and then drag it outwards. This is just a darker shade than San Jose, so it's going to add a depth to my eye look. I'm gonna drag that outwards, and then if I get the wing that I like, the shape that I like, I'm going to blend it with the first brush that I use with San Jose and just diffuse that hot chocolate color. Alright, next is a Beige Cosmetics liquid liner. I'm going to create the wing under or inside the eyeshadows that I put in. So just another wing. But this one I can't diffuse. I'm also going to line the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to create the tiniest triangle that you can put in the inner corner of your eyes. Done with two eyes, I'm just going to clean up with my concealer here, and I'm using a flat brush. For my mascara, I'm going to use Pat McGrath mascara. I'm going to concentrate on the upper outer corner of my lashes, and it's going to create that lift effect. I'm going to finish my face. I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics blush. This one is in Close to Perfect. Also, I'm going to use another blush, which is Hopeless Romantic. This is going to add a pop of color on my cheeks. For my bronzer, I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics as well. This one is in Almond. And then I'm going to use her highlighter as well in Cotton Candy. This is my favorite combo right now. I know we're gonna stay the same, and now we're grown up. I don't really see enough. There's too much to be done. Lastly, for my face, I'm going to use this KKW Beauty Brightening Powder number 2. This one is the pink one. I'm going to put that under my wing liner. It's going to create that lifting effect for my eyes, and also going to put that on all over my lids. And on my nose too, just to highlight. I love these ColourPop Cosmetics Luxe Velvet Lipsticks, and this one is in Southbound. I just want something that is summery, pop of color, but also keep me in that purple color because I'm wearing purple. For my lashes, I'm going to use this LA Colors Drama Lash. I'm going to cut that in half, put them together, double them, and put that in the outer corner of my eyelashes. That's going to give me that lifting illusion and give that foxy look.
Alright guys, so this is it for the look. I like it so much. It was so easy. It's just the lashes that I struggle with. But everything else, it went so smoothly. I was so nervous about the eyeliner, but it came out so good. This corner right here, I couldn't do that. I've tried that many times and this is the most successful one. I like it. It's easy. Foxy look looks more complicated than it looks, but it's very easy. Cute. I like it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And also, leave a comment down below. Have you tried this look? Was it easy? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!